Hello boys and girls. So this is the first course that we've published, but before I start going through the course content, I would just like to talk to you about the different levels in every language, okay? So altogether there are 6 levels according to the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. Right, so the levels are A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. For a Spanish speaker, for example, that wants to start from 0 and go all the way up to the level C2, it would take him between 1,500 and 3,000 hours. So that would be more or less between 250 and 500 hours of being exposed to the language to get to the next level, alright? So that's the amount of time that you would need to go up a level if you were a Spanish speaker. Depending on the different languages, it may take more or less time. Let's get started with the course content then. So first of all, the title, A1 Kids Course. Well, obviously it's a course at A1 level, but the reason why we've called it Kids is because basically most of the videos are cartoons. So we have songs, we have stories, we have dancing, we have different action songs. There are many types of materials that are mostly for kids. So what can you do if you're a parent and you want your kid to improve his English level? Well, basically you can start playing the videos one by one, and then we've also included quizzes. The quizzes, if your kid is small, might be a little bit difficult to do, but if you help him with the quizzes, then I'm sure he should be able to do it. And well, even though the title is Kids, this course is also useful for adults that have an A1 level. So obviously, if you have an A1 level, even though the content is cartoons and it's kids play sort of things, it's very useful. So it's a very good way of also improving your English level if you're starting at A1. So you can get started with it, and then when you see that you dominate this level, when you see that you can understand most of the videos, that you're getting the quizzes right, then it's as simple as going on to the A2 course.